What's up, fuck ups?
All right, let me start this vlog. Okay, so today, this is so.
You should have started like, all right. So I'm here.
All right.
We're
Okay, let's. I'm gonna try it real quick. Okay, what's up, everybody? So today I'm at Irvin's house,
yeah.
and he's fixing a job that was done by Barbosa's Customs. So right now what he's doing is they fucked up my ABS, traction control, all that stuff, and he's about to solder the wires back in place. Let's see. If you guys recognize this truck, this GMC, these wheels actually were on the GMC before I got them from him. And this is his other truck. Wait, what is it, 2018?
17.
2017? 26. Hey, you haven't got pulled over yet, fool?
No, not yet. Thank God.
And then he's gonna do the same drop that he has on this one, on that one right there. But, hey, fool, would you mind me vlogging when you're dropping it, fool?
Yeah.
Okay. And then here's his pride and joy that is collecting dust. Damn, look at that handprint, looks all sad. It reminds me of the scene, you know, in the movie The Titanic, when they put the handprint on the glass and they just drag it like that.
Hey, who's got my hat?
Look, I'm Woody. Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Aha, aha.